it's Debbie Sigorin from Coldwell Banker Real Estate, and I'm standing inside 79 Limewood. It's a magnificent home which has 3,154 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms with a bedroom downstairs. All other bedrooms are upstairs, and it has this insane bonus room. Please come by, join us, tour the property. We've got Panera catering lunch. Love to show you the downstairs. Come with me. Okay, so we're downstairs. We've got the dining room, and then we've got this amazing kitchen. So light and bright. You've got your breakfast nook, granite counter, white cabinetry, and your amazing family room that has a fireplace. I know you're excited. Okay, so let's go outside and check out the backyard. Follow me. I'm in the backyard at 79 Limewood. Can you hear me? Yes. I'm trying to talk over the magical sound of water flowing into the spa. Come and check out the custom fireplace. What a beautiful, tranquil, amazing backyard. You're never ever going to have to go on another vacation. Isn't it gorgeous? Please come to the open house. Once again, we're here from 11 to 4. Look forward to helping you tour this property. Take care, Debbie from Coldwell Banker.